What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now this arrived this morning. I think I know what it is, and if I'm wrong this video won't go out, but never mind, let's take a look. I'm pretty certain it's the new HomePod mini. So let's, Jesus, I can't even rip that off. Yeah, pretty certain it's the mini. Taking the top off, spin it around, let's take the other one, and there it is, the new Apple HomePod mini, the new mini writing on the side. I went for the space grey version, and that's what it shows you all the way around the box, and shows you at the top of the HomePod mini, and then on the bottom all your details. So I think for this we're going to need the unboxing knife. Okay, and there is said trusty unboxing knife. This hasn't been on the channel for a while as we haven't needed it, but let's slice into the box, and hopefully not myself this time. And let's take this off. Okay, now you lift off the top just like you would with any other Apple product, and wait for the pop. There it is, and there is the HomePod mini front and center. Oh, this looks good. Oh my god, it smells good too. Oh, Apple products that smell good. And then supposedly underneath here what you've got is you've got your HomePod mini booklet, and I'm assuming there's a sticker in here too. Yes, there is, right there. I'm not going to bother taking that out though, we've all seen it. And this guy right here, the USB-C charging brick. So if we do I really want to take this off? Yes, I do. So there we go. If we take all the new paper wrapping off the plug, like so, as you can see I've got the UK version. Flick this out and there is your plug. So let me go ahead and get this all set up. Let's take off the cable protector, I suppose this could be classed as. Just keeps it all nice and wrapped up. Okay, now you get a nice braided USB-C cable, and it's quite long too, which is a good thing. So if we plug it in, I'm going to go ahead and show you the entire setup process. Okay, so it's now plugged in. I'll touch the top, it's now spinning round. Okay, now as you can see, if you look at the iPhone, it's found it. So if we click setup, open Wi-Fi not connected, open Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so let me just select the network. I was off the Wi-Fi, just using my phone. There we go. So click setup again. Bedroom lamp. Let's go with bedroom. Recognize my voice. Use personal requests. Use this iPhone. Siri for everyone. Terms and conditions. Transfer settings. Center the HomePod in the frame. So if you get this, it really is that simple to use. So while this is setting up now, I'll let it set up and I'll be back in a second, and then we'll hear just how good this thing actually sounds. Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather.
Right, okay, so that's how it all works. It works pretty well. So, hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What do you call someone with no body and no nose? Nobody knows.
Oh dearie me. Well, never mind, you can do all kinds of fun stuff with this, but the best one that I've seen so far is if we use Apple Music. If we go to my library, the latest songs that I've got on here are from Epidemic Sound, so we won't get any copyright strikes. So if we go for this one, let's give it a try. Right, okay, so this is Sunset Drive. So if I click play on the iPhone, and then if I do this, transfers to HomePod. So that's now playing through the HomePod. It's not that loud neither. I mean, you can hide it off. Sound after this is absolutely fantastic for how small it is. But then if I do this, transfers back to the iPhone and continues playing on the iPhone. Now that's going to be fantastic for when I'm in the car and I've got a podcast playing and I literally just come home, boof, hand it off to the HomePod. And also as well, before we end the video, the other cool feature on the new HomePod, of course, is this feature right here. Click on the top, to my home. It's an intercom system, so I could send a message to the HomePod while I'm in the car, and it would hopefully connect to this and tell anyone in the room the message that I'm sending without actually having to do anything. I mean, that's absolutely fantastic. This is a fantastic device. I'm looking forward to using it more. If there's anything else you want to see on it, be sure to let me know in the comments, and we will do a follow-up video after the next few updates, etc., and where I'm going to put it and how it's going to be used. There will be another one coming, as you can use these as a surround sound system. So these will be placed into a desk setup either end. I'm looking forward to using these. They sound fantastic. I'm sure 2 will sound absolutely amazing. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it. If you pick one up yourself, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care everyone, and I will see you tomorrow.